AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 Warehouse Definitions. If you have the warehouse module and you want to manage your products with more than one structure, you can create your warehouses with warehouse definitions. For this, follow the stock management, definitions, and warehouse steps and click the warehouse definitions button. In the window that opens, you can enter information about your warehouse in the Warehouse Info tab. You can give the user and terminal authorities to your warehouse from the other two tabs. If no authorization is given, all users and terminals will be deemed authorized. After making your settings, click the Save button. If you have just bought the warehouse module, if there are previous transactions without the warehouse, and you want to transfer these transactions to any of the warehouses you will create, click the Synchronize button in the upper right part of the relevant warehouse and click the Yes button.